Hi, I'm JP, and today we're going to talk about the Alpha Moto motorcycle balancing truing stands. There are two different versions. One, we have the portable version here. Two, we have the version that we use here at the shop. And this is the one we're going to put together and demonstrate. First, you want to take the stand base, flip it over on its top. These are going to be your adjustable feet. You'll screw these in. And you'll do this on all four corners. Once you get your base stand leveled, you'll take the arms, you'll bolt them down to your stand. You'll make sure that your truing wheels here are facing each other. You'll take the supplied nut with a number 6 Allen head, and you'll take the nut on the bottom. You'll apply it on the there. You'll take a number 17 socket. You'll tighten these down. And you'll do the same on the other side. Now that we have the stand put together, we're going to show you how to utilize it. You're going to take the tire bar, slide it through where the axle goes. One side is already completed for you, but you need to tighten down the wheel spacer locks. This is a 2.5 millimeter Allen head, and then you'll put the washer behind it to lock it in place. You'll do the same thing to this side. You want to lock these down so that way they don't spin on you or come off when you're balancing your tire. Then you take your washer, slide it on all the way down. That way there's no chance of the wheel spacer coming off. All right, next you'll pick up the wheel. You'll set the wheel bar onto the truing wheels. Once the tire is on there, if the tire spins, then you'll know if it needs weights or not. You'll take the tire, you'll rotate it 90 degrees. Doesn't spin. Rotate it another 90 degrees. Doesn't spin there. So this rim and tire is perfectly balanced because you can move the tire 90 degrees in any direction and it does not move. Now if your tire and rim actually will spin, if it's coming towards you, that means that it needs wheel weights. You'll wait till the tire stops spinning. The portion on the very dead top is going to be the lightest part of the tire itself. You'll actually take wheel weights that are supplied inside your kit. You'll apply the wheel weights at the top portion of the tire equally on both sides. So if you have one or two, you'll do one or two on the other end. From that point on, you'll spin the tire 90 degrees, and if it moves, needs more weights. If it moves away from you, it's going to need one less weight. Otherwise, this is how you want a perfectly balanced motorcycle tire.